Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Podium for instant lead responses and review requests, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Podium for instant lead responses and review requests, start by logging into your Podium. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the settings menu, find the integrations section. Select lead response to begin setting up instant responses. You'll see options to connect various platforms. Choose your preferred one. Follow the prompts to authorize Podium to access your chosen platform. Upon successful connection, you can customize your instant response templates. Click on Templates in the Settings menu. Create a new template or edit an existing one according to your business needs. Make sure to include key information in your templates, such as greetings and necessary follow-up questions. After customizing your templates, save the changes. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select Review Requests from the options available. Turn on the feature to automate sending review requests to your customers. Customize your review request message to reflect your brand's voice. Save your settings after making the changes. You can now test the setup by simulating a lead response. Check to ensure that the instant responses and review requests function as expected. Monitor the performance through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust your templates and settings if necessary to optimize responses. That's it. You are now set up to activate Podium for instant lead responses and review requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.